I got to do something a little different today. I just got back from Nice Up Motorsports where my 408 stroker motor that I built is in a Fox body Mustang tied down to the chassis dyno. It made a pull today. We made two pulls today. Unfortunately, on the second pull, something in the transmission let go, and we didn't get a chance to jet it up again and actually work out the air-fuel ratio issue it was having. But hopefully he'll get that straightened out, and we'll probably go down to the track this Friday and Saturday if all that happens. All right, on to the pool.